How to reset your Bank of America online banking password. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to reset your Bank of America online banking password. So first thing, just head over to your application, that is your Bank of America, or you can also go to any of your favorite browser and just head over to bankofamerica.com and just tap on this login button over here, which will take you to this page just like this. So once you're inside here, you just have to provide or click on this forget ID or password button over here since you have forgotten your password, and you will be heading over to this screen where you'll simply have to provide some basic information with your user ID or password, such as your card or account number with the last 6 digits and social security number or tax ID number as well. So to view your user ID or create a new password, they will need your SSN or TIN for identification. So if you don't have that as well, you can just tap on this link down below over here to successfully create that as well. And once you do all of that, you will then be prompted to enter your user ID and verify your identity through a series of steps, which may include providing personal information like your date of birth, last 6 digits of card or account number, as I've already mentioned. And after verifying your identity, you will be able to create a new password. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.